Okay, kindergarten, we are back talking about force and motion today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how things can move. And I'm going to show you how some different things can move. Here I have a toy car, and it does what? It can roll. So it can move by rolling. It has wheels on the bottom, and that helps it to roll. If I have a cube like this, does it roll? No, it kind of slides around. It doesn't roll as smoothly as we see the toy car doing, but it does slide and move in that direction. So we know that things can slide, they can roll, they can also, you can see this ball is bouncing. So they can bounce, they can move up and down. And then I have a Wreck and Wreck here with some spinners. I can take this and I can spin. So things can spin around. Things can roll. You can see these also slide just like our block was sliding. And things can, of course, bounce. Things can also move in a very straight line. Things can go what we say in a zigzag pattern, not in a straight line. They can kind of swirl around. So there's different ways things can move as well. Just like our ball, it was moving up and down. When it bounced, it went up and it went down. These went from side to side, whether they rolled or they went in a straight line or they went in a zigzag line. So there's many ways that things can move. But of course, in order for them to move, they needed to have a push or maybe a pull. So similar to the Wreck and Wreck, I can push them or I can pull them. So they changed positions through the force of a push or a pull. So kindergarten, today what I want you to do is think about how some things move. When you're thinking about the pushes and the pulls that you have, I want you to think about, does it move in a straight line when I push or pull it? Does it move in a zigzag line when I push or pull it? So thinking a lot about what type of motion your objects have when you push or pull. Maybe some of your objects can go in a straight line sometimes, but maybe they go wiggly or they spin at different times. Think about that when you're playing with some of your toys or whether you're playing outside. How do they move when you apply your force, a push or a pull, to make something move?